Hi, good afternoon. Here we have the hydraulic torque wrench pump, pneumatically operated. Right beside it is the square drive torque wrench, along with the impact socket we'll be using. Our application today is on an 8-inch 900 class flange with a 55mm across flats requirement. Let's walk through the assembly process. The pump here is a 4-stage unit, allowing you to run up to 4 torque wrenches on the same flange simultaneously. Let's move into the application setup. We're preparing the hydraulic torque wrench and connecting it with the twin hose. The hose is a quick connect type rated for 700 bar. Take a look at this push lock fitting. Once it clicks in place, we're ready to proceed. The tri-torque torque wrench we're using is set up for an 8-inch 900 class flange, with the bolt size being 1 3/8 inch and 55mm across flat. Watch how the wrench mounts onto the flange. The swivel allows full 360-degree movement, and the reaction arm can be positioned at any angle depending on your axis. Once everything is aligned, we switch the pump to on and the operation begins.